Hi guys, Team RC 3D Prints here, and we've got another video here on our drifting of the Traxxas UDRs. In the previous video, as you can see here, we did duct tape the tyres, which worked quite well, but the duct tape doesn't last very long on the tyres. It's great fun, but it didn't work and didn't last very long on the tyres. So that got us thinking, what other options can we do? Are there actually any proper drift wheels available for these? And in the right scale, we couldn't find anything. So what we've done, we've actually 3D printed some to see how well an actual moulded wheel would work. So first of all, we used our Fusion 360 software to design them up. Very simple design, hoop design. Just played about with the diameters to get a good fit. And then we went over to our 3D printer. Did take a little bit of time. We just used some old filament that we had laying about. This is actually meant to be a transparent filament, which isn't very transparent, it's more like a white. But we printed them out and see how they go. We then fitted them to the truck and took them to our usual location. So we have printed these, and today we're going to test them. We're going to put them on the truck. They fit on reasonably easily. They need to be a tight fit. This is going to be the interesting part as to how tight fit they need to be, but they're a reasonably tight fit. Obviously this depends on how worn your tyres are. More worn tyres, the diameter is going to be smaller. On the back, we've had to put a little bit of tape around just to get a tight fit, but this is very much a work in progress. We do not know how long these are going to last. They might last 10 seconds, they might last a whole run, we really don't know. But it's a different option from when we used the duct tape. You'll see in one of our previous videos where we just duct taped the tyres, which worked well, but you had to duct tape them and put new tape on every 5-6 minutes. So we'll see how these go. So we've given it a run, and we can safely say there's very, very little grip. Obviously the track is a bit, or the road is a bit damp, and there's not too much wear. The rear ones started to slide off a little bit, but considering just a 3D printed ring with PLA, that's actually not too bad. So we'll give it some more runs and see how it goes. keep going all the way around the cone, I bet you can't. Set up so early. I was setting up like halfway down. Yeah. It doesn't really matter colour it, I'd be honest with it. You're trying to laugh, isn't it? Try it, see? So as you can see, we just took the fronts off, and obviously that doesn't work. It just pirouettes on itself, so we put the fronts back on. But we're really impressed. The wear is minimal. I mean, that's been running probably now for a good 10 minutes, and obviously it's very low grip, but I mean there's not a lot of wear on that at all, so we're quite impressed with that. I think we'll play about more, just fine-tuning the diameters of those so they fit on the tyres tightly, because that's the biggest problem. I think is them actually coming off, and I think we've gone to a winner there.